this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube an error occurred, please try again later. So if you are experiencing this playback error, follow along with me for some fixes to resolve this problem and get you back watching YouTube videos. Now to start with, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, come over to the left hand side. In this menu you want to click onto time and language, and then what you want to do is click onto date and time. Now from here you want to make sure that set the time zone automatically is turned on, and also set the time automatically is turned on as well. Once that's done, scroll down a bit to additional settings and click the sync now button. Just give it a minute to confirm and you should get a tick like this. After doing this, close down your settings window, and what you want to do now is open up an internet browser and come across to youtube.com. Once you come across to youtube.com, come up to the address bar, and next to where it says youtube.com, you should see this little icon here where it says view site information. Give that a click, and what you want to do is come and click onto cookies and site data, and then come down and click where it says manage on device site data. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here you want to go ahead and click the trash can icon next to the YouTube sites that come up. Now if you are currently logged in, make sure to make a note of your password, as you will need to log in again. Once you've done that, what you can do is click done, and then you just need to refresh YouTube, and once you've done that you should now be able to watch videos without the playback error. If after doing this you are still getting the playback error, what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots and click new incognito window, come across to youtube.com, and what you can do is do it this way, which is going to allow you to watch YouTube videos until YouTube fixes the issue. So that's how to fix YouTube an error occurred, please try again later playback error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.